Jimmy here with One Road. Today, we're going to be repairing this paint chip on my inner fender well on the passenger side. You can see the paint is old and brittle and chipping off. First step is to sand it down with your choice of sanding material. I'm going to use this pad and get it sanded. You're going to want to get it pretty smooth here. The goal is to put some tooth for the new paint to adhere to and also to remove those hard edges from the paint chips. Then clean it off with alcohol, and once it's clean, we're going to go ahead and tape it off and put plastic everywhere. Also, pay attention to your tape line. You're going to want to make that as straight as possible and in an inconspicuous spot if you can, maybe on an existing body line. For the paint, I'm using this white gloss by Rust-Oleum. This is great for multiple materials, and it's a paint and primer in one. So I'm going to go ahead and lay a light coat as my first coat, not trying to cover it completely, but just getting an even coat. You can see we still need more coats to cover this up, but it's looking good so far. So let's go ahead and apply a second coat, and you're going to want to make it as even as possible. I'm holding the can about 1 foot away from the panel, and after a few coats and removing all of the tape and plastic, you can see our epic result. This panel now looks phenomenal, almost looks brand new. I am stoked. Now, those of you with an eagle eye, you can see there is a little bit of paint bubbling that happened. Not that big of a deal. I'm not exactly sure why, but again, standing at a normal distance, you can see the overall look is fantastic. No one would ever know this panel was painted. And here you can see it is plenty glossy from the gloss paint. No need to apply extra clear coat. And here's what we started with. And here's the after. Before and after. This is epic. Of course, this is going to be a heck of a lot easier on a white vehicle. Probably wouldn't be so bad on a black vehicle, but any other color than that, you're really going to need to get the exact paint code and match the paint exactly. All right, guys, I'm Jimmy, and this is One Road.